In today's video, I'll show you how you could add transition effect in PowerDirector. So let's get started. So this is very easy to do here in PowerDirector. So in this one, I have my sample clips right here. So I have two clips that I'll be doing the transition on. And basically to do the transition is that you just simply want to navigate here in the top left menu. You would have transition right here. So click on that. And from here, you can just choose the transition that you'd want. You can go for what's new, the popular transition, and many more right here. For example, I'm going to go for the popular. And I'm going to go for the sparkle transition. And notice that there is a download button right here. So that means that you would have to download that first. And once it's downloaded, it's now ready to use. And now you can drag it now into your clip just like this one right here. So now I'm just going to go and zoom in so that we could see it better. I'm just going to put my playhead right here, right there. And here it is. So as you can see right here, we now have this transition right here. So you could make this longer by dragging it out just like this one. So I'm making it longer for this side. You could also go for the other side if you'd want to, basically whatever it needs for it to look smooth. So when we play it, we will now have the transition, as you can see right there. And there it is. And now we also have some other transitions. So you could go for the basic, the blur, the slideshow, and many more right here. So let's just go for special effect, for example. And I'm going to go for gaming and download it. And then again, it's very simple. Just put or drag this into the middle between the clips that you'd want. So yeah, this is basically it on how you can do it here in PowerDirector. It's very easy. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.